Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. So guys, this collection is all about the designs of Happy Easter Wreaths designs. Happy Easter Wreaths design is a unique part and everyone waiting for the best Easter decor designs. Easter wreaths design is a unique part and everyone decide to collect a beautiful ideas about the wreaths design. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, then guys please support to my YouTube channel, share my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Most demanding articles and most beautiful articles, most creative articles, and the design is so fabulous. All designs, all colors, all shades are new and classy and beautiful. So guys, don't miss the chance to avail my YouTube channel. And most attractive ideas, most creative ideas, most beautiful ideas. Thank you so much guys to like, to share, to subscribe my YouTube channel. And one of the best articles, one of the beautiful articles about my YouTube channel, Easter wreaths designs. Wreaths design is a unique part of decoration and the most probably used in front area, porch area, front door decor designs, and used as a gift also for your guests and relatives. So thank you, keep watching, stay with me and enjoy the collection on the daily basis that are uploaded on my YouTube channel on daily basis. Creativity and the most attractive and aesthetic ideas about the designs of Easter collections. So guys, don't miss the chance, watch, like and comment. Floral arrangements of Happy Easter, unique part, unique decoration. The design is so fabulous. The fantastic designs, the creative designs. In the most probably asked question, the designs are also used for the porch area and front area. Yes, it's used for the decoration, used for as a gift, used as a porch area, front area, back door. So depend on your choice, depend on your likeness. And if you have any question about my YouTube channel, then ask me in comment box. I provide you the different and simple and creative ideas that enhance your home look as well as increase your home look, and everyone likes your home because decoration is most essential and everyone searching the bestest ideas about the wreath designs that is related to the floral arrangements. So keep watching, stay with me and enjoy the collection with the easy craft videos. Most demanding articles about the wreath designs, creative ideas, simple ideas, unique ideas. Thank you.